Gusto mo ba maging successful? Ba't ka nagmamadali? There is value in the process. Kaya ka nasa scam kasi gusto mo instant. Gusto mo ba to attract clients, to attract business, and for people to trust you? Then bakit gusto mo overnight success? Wala pang successful na tao ngayon ang hindi dumaan sa proseso. It's just the tip of the iceberg. What's beneath the iceberg are countless hours of hard work, perseverance, minsan sakit at napakalaking proseso. Bakit ka nagrereklamo sa proseso mo? You know, I want you to understand this. This is personally ang natutunan ko sa aking professional life. There is value in the process. Right now, masasabi ko that it's easier for me to get people's trust. It's easier for me to forge business deals. It's easier for me to attract clients. It's easier for me to do business. Pero ang nakikita nyo, yung ngayon lang. Hindi nyo nakita yung pinagdaanan ko 9 years ago. During that time, it's hard for people to trust me. Hindi naman nila ako kilala eh. Hindi ko sila pwedeng sisihin. It's hard to attract clients. Siyempre, lahat skeptic. It's their right to do so. And the thing about the process is, habang tumatagal ka sa iyong professional line of work, mas dumadali ang trabaho. Pero hindi talaga siya madali sa umpisa. Respetuhin mo yung proseso mo. Kaya maraming taong nasa scam ang gusto mabilisan. Kaya maraming taong nasa scam kasi ang hanap resulta agad. Hindi pinahalagahan yung wisdom, yung learning, at yung value na makukuha sa proseso. The process will involve two things: continuous growth and time. Ibig sabihin, hindi ito pwedeng mabilisan kasi may elemento of time. Ito rin yung reason kung bakit majority of lotto winners within 6 months to 1 year naubos lahat ng perang na ipanalo nila. Or worse, mas nabaon pa sa utang. Kaya ka nasa scam kasi gusto mo instant. There is value in the process. Kung nagsisimula ka, mahihirapan ka talaga. Pero wag kang sumuko. Hayaan mo na pagdaanan mo yan, but make sure na natututo ka rin habang pinagdadaanan mo yan. Habang tumatagal, mas nag-e-evolve ka, mas nag-i-improve ka, at mas nakikilala ka. At kapag napagsabay mo yung kagalingan mo at yung pagkakakilala sa'yo, at habang tumatagal, nagiging consistent ka, nakikita ng tao na reliable ka, mas dumadali makuha ang resulta. There's no such thing as overnight success. It's just the tip of the iceberg. What's beneath the iceberg are countless hours of hard work, perseverance, minsan sakit at napakalaking proseso. Nagkakaroon ng failure eventually. You don't want to be like that.